sa job, mga kakal-el.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's please welcome Rachel Brosnahan, our newest Clark Kent, Superman himself, David Corenswet. And now, it's time for us to welcome the writer and rock star director of Superman, the legend, James Gunn!
Mga kakal-el, grabe to. Hindi lang ito basta presscon. Parang ako'y naligaw sa harap ng Daily Planet. Yung backdrop, sobrang ganda. Feeling ko anytime may lilipad na Superman. Dito, na-meet ko syempre in flesh ang cast ng Superman. Pati host ng presscon, super. Good job, Justin.
Big winners lost their happy. You got all your toys signed last night. Good job, man.
Ngiting tagumpay
At kung seswertihin ka nga naman talaga, nakapagtanong pa ako sa kanila.
We actually have a question for you from Oscar and Jimmy. Yeah, Oscar.
Yes, guys, thank you so much. As a big Superman fan, a reporter, and very good reporter, she's over there.
Let's hear it for Otto with our superstar back there.
Let's hear it for this bump team.
Wow, what's it like being married to such a wonderful, famous woman?
We're the best headlines in the biz.
Okay, as a journalist, for David, as a journalist in the film, playing Clark Kent, how do you portray someone who hides a world-changing secret while working in a newsroom go into shaping your understanding of the role, especially when he's also in love with a fellow reporter?
Well, there are versions of Clark Kent where he is really an intrepid reporter, and he's on Lois Lane's level, or even more impressive as a reporter than she is. I don't think. Well, wait,
Ay, ang saya, di ba? Kung ito na nga ang simula ng DC Universe, count me in! Oscar Kent Poida po, always for the truth, justice, and the collector way.